Once upon a time, in a small village in the countryside, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily loved to explore and learn new things. She was especially fascinated by the plants and animals that she saw around her. One day, as she was walking through the fields, she noticed a strange-looking flower that she had never seen before. Curious, she picked the flower and brought it home to her mom. "Mom, what is this flower?" she asked. Her mom took a look at the flower and smiled. "That's a Venus flytrap, Lily. It's a special kind of plant that eats insects." "Eats insects? That's so cool," exclaimed Lily. "How does it do that?" "Well, the Venus flytrap has special leaves that have small hairs on them," explained her mom. "When an insect lands on the leaf, the hairs sense the movement and the leaf snaps shut, trapping the insect inside. Then, the plant secretes digestive enzymes that break down the insect and the plant absorbs the nutrients." Lily was amazed by this and wanted to learn more about how plants and animals work. So, she decided to do a little experiment of her own. She took some different kinds of seeds and planted them in pots. She watered them every day and watched them grow. She also put some sugar water in a jar and waited to see what would happen. Soon, the seeds sprouted and grew into plants. Lily noticed that some plants grew faster than others and that some needed more water than others. She also noticed that ants were attracted to the sugar water in the jar and wondered why. She went to the library and found books about plants and animals. She read about photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight. She learned about how different plants have different needs, like some needing more sunlight and others needing more water. She also read about how ants communicate with each other and why they are attracted to sweet things like sugar water. Lily was so fascinated by what she had learned that she decided to share her knowledge with her friends. She invited them over to her house and showed them her plants and the jar of sugar water. She explained to them how plants and animals work and how they all depend on each other to survive. Her friends were amazed by what they had learned and wanted to do their own experiments too. So, Lily helped them set up their own little gardens and taught them how to take care of their plants. And so, Lily's love of learning and exploring led her to discover the fascinating world of science. She learned that by observing and experimenting, she could learn so much about the world around her. And who knows, maybe one day she will become a great scientist and make her own amazing discoveries.